Good morning, Team Alabama. Here are your morning announcements for week 3. Thank you for a fantastic week 2. We saw many of you finish your Achieve 3000 level set. You were logging into your attendance and your quiz each day. And you also added to your facts in Stuck in Neutral and your questions and your vocab. Several of you even submitted those already to me in a Google Doc. Just a couple of reminders. One thing, when you submit any assignment through a Google Doc, you're going to put your name and your period on the top of the Google Doc, so I know who's sharing it with me and which period I need to enter that grade in. So if you would, make sure that you share the Google Doc with your name and the period at the top. The things that you can be working on right now. Yes, you're finishing up those 50 facts and Stuck in Neutral, 10 questions, and 10 vocab. The vocab had the definition next to it. If you didn't put that in there, go back and add the definition to it. You're also working on the autobiography. If you weren't sure how to do that, some of you joined the Zoom calls. And when you join the Zoom calls, I try to answer many of your questions and walk you through anything that you might be having trouble with. You may also send me an email if you're having trouble with an assignment, and I will email you back. And you can even send a phone number, and I'll call you and say, okay, let's figure this out together. And just give me a phone number, and I'll call you back, and we'll walk through it. So a couple of other announcements. Your attendance. Please try to enter your attendance by 11 o'clock. I enter your attendance, and that is also how I took your participation grades. If you have been doing your attendance quizzes, then you got the full 30 points for participation. The next thing I'm going to be looking at is, are you doing your assignments? Did you do your Achieve 3000 level set? Are you turning in your Stuck in Neutral facts? Are you sending me the things that I ask for? If you're not sure, just send it anyway, or ask the question and email me. Just make sure that you're doing your job in asking questions if you're unsure. Make sure you're watching those videos, because the videos really do help you with any assignments, and I try to go into more detail. So not only is it reading the chapter, but it's okay, this is what I would put down as a fact. This is how I would do the vocab. Here's what we need to be thinking about as far as your autobiography. So in the video, there's a little more to it, and if that's not enough, like I said, please feel free to email or send me a phone number, and I will call you and give you more instruction on how to do something. Please don't get frustrated. We all are working on this, and we're in it together. The road may be bumpy at times, but we're going to get through it. Have a great rest of your day, Team Alabama, and let us know if you have any problems.